Hello, friends. It is Running Kimono, and we're going to go through the Walgreens ad preview for the week of the 21st to the 27th of August. First thing, this popped up in the wee hours of Friday morning in one of my accounts, not both. $5 back when you spend $22. It is a booster. It is valid from August the 21st to the 27th only. It is of a one-time use. And yes, you can stack one paper booster with this digital booster. Do not use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, or it will mess everything up. For the balance, use your debit card, credit card, or bills. Okay, so first off, guys, we're going to look at some deals of the week. If you look top left-hand corner, 3 for $10.99 for that 7-Up. Not a bad deal. We also have the BOGO free for the Kellogg cereal Pop-Tarts. Those good items. $2.99 for, what does that look like? Cashews? Yes, please, and thank you, Keto, so much. First little thing we're going to look at is the all for $3.49. We have a $1.50 digital coupon that's showing up on Sunday morning, dropping that down to $1.99. This is typically like $7.49. Very good deal. Then we have this deal. I think of all the deals of the week, this is the one we're going to work with. We're going to grab 3 of these Degree dry sprays. The third one will ring up for $7. Grabbing 3 of them for $21, subtracting, there's going to be a 2 off a 2 digital. And if you might have a booster like a spend 20, get back 5, utilize that one. Pay $19 with your debit card, get back a $5 register reward for buying 3 dry sprays, along with $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster. It makes it $9 for the 3 or $3 per spray. Check for IBOTTA rebates or some kind of rebates to sweeten the pot. Do not use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash as you're using a booster to pay that down to get it a lot less out of pocket. And is there going to also be a spend 20, get back 5, like a little register reward for personal care? That included, it might make this deal extra sweet. We'll have to wait and see on Sunday. Okay, looking at the toothpaste, $3 a pop. Buy 3, get back a $5 register reward, and we have a $2 online coupon. Take a breath. Grabbing 3 of the pastes for $9, subtracting that $2 coupon, you're paying $7, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $2 for the 3 or 66 cents per toothpaste. If you're doing this deal on its own without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn that register reward. So just a cheapy deal on this. I don't like paying for toothpaste, but if you need it, maybe not the worst deal. And now we're looking at the Arm & Hammer 3 for $7.99. So it's $2.66 each. Considering we get this for $1.99 on the sales week, it is your choice if this is a good deal or not. Perhaps use a store register reward for this one. And with the Ajax, it's BOGO free. And the retail for one is $3.99. So it's $1.99 per detergent. Not the worst price. Okay, the next deal, 4 for $9 on the Bounce, Downy, Tide Simply, the laundry care. I believe this is a monthly deal. If you might have one of these guys hanging out, which is a store coupon, well, how do you use it? Well, we're going to have to use this because this one's expiring on Sunday, so use it or lose it. Definitely check the dates because, yeah, I'm guilty of this too. Grabbing 4 of the Downy softeners for $9 on the nose, subtracting that $5 store coupon, and I'm also going to throw in $4 in Walgreens cash, and then I'm just paying down the tax. And definitely look at laundry section, and if they might have an end cap display towards the front of the store of all the beautiful laundry, look everywhere for this stuff. Sometimes couponers to go hard on this whenever it's on sale. Now we have the Palmolive dish soap, and this is the Big Mama 20 ounce for $2.49. Dollar digital coupon, dropping it down to $1.49. That is a really good stock up price. Now this is kind of an interesting deal on the Cottonelle. So this is a larger one for $10, and we have a $1 digital coupon. Is that last week's, or are they giving us a new one? This is the one from last week. As you can see, it doesn't expire till the 27th. Hopefully they give us another one too. Wouldn't that be nice? And if you go over to your Shopkick account, we have 500 points back, which is $2. And if you could find in the travel section, the travel size Cottonelle flushable wipes, because it's not size specific, you'll get $2 back for that, and I believe it's like $1 and some change. Anywho, this for $10 for that big Cottonelle pack, subtracting the $1 digital, you're paying $9, getting $2 back from Shopkick, dropping it down to $7. Photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. Cottonelle is part of their catalog. Yes, you will get back a little something for that purchase. And if you wanted to throw in a store register reward or Walgreens cash, absolutely go for it. This is looking like a monthly deal because it was taking place last week and here it is again this week, but it just got a little bit sweeter. Earn $5 in Walgreens cash when you buy 2. We're looking to buy 4 of the Flintstone vitamins on a BOGO 50% off. Digitally, we have this coupon for the Flintstone vitamins, which is a $3 off. And then if you go over to your coupons.com account, I have a $3 rebate. So as I'm buying 4, one of them will qualify for that. So that is really nice. So please make sure that you have this one and you have it loaded. Grabbing 2 of these vitamins, that's $11.98. Let's not forget, that's on a BOGO 50% off. Subtracting that $3 digital, you're paying $8.98. Get $3 back from coupons.com app, plus $5 of Walgreens cash for buying 2. So it makes it 98 cents for the 2. And if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, you're doing this one without a booster. Yes, you can do it. Now, let's look at this deal in a different way. Let's use a booster for this one, and let's double the amount of vitamins because we have a couple extra little things in the air to make these vitamins for free, including if you go over to your Fetch Rewards account, there is $3 back when you spend $15, and they extended this for me. Maybe yours will be the same. Just search Flintstone vitamins and see if this rebate pops up for you. Grabbing 4 of the Flintstone vitamins on a BOGO 50% off, that's $23.97. Subtracting that $3 digital, plus you have your 5 back when you spend $22 loaded. You're paying $20.97 with your debit card. Getting back $3 from the coupons.com app, plus $15 in Walgreens cash, 10 for Flintstone, 5 for the booster, plus $3 back from the Fetch Rewards app, making this free. Remember, as we're using that stupid booster, do not use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, or it will mess everything up. Okay, guys, so now this is kind of like the question mark thing. We're going to have to wait and see on Sunday morning what they provide for us. $3.99, $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. This specific manufacturer gives us really high-value coupons. Will they do it again on Sunday? It possibly could be a freebie for this. And then this one, too, $3 reward, I believe, when you buy 2. We're going to have to wait and see if they are generous with high-value digital coupons, but they did give us something the week previous, so we'll have to wait and see, friends. Along with the L'Oreal Elvive, are we going to get some new digital coupons for that? And 2 for $7 for the Fructis by Garnier, along with the whole blends. I believe it's the same price. So, you know, if they give us some high-value digital coupons, that might amount to some very cheap shampoo. Unfortunately, the fine print, I can't read it, and my crystal ball's kind of dusty, so we'll have to wait and see. And this one, too, if there's a high-value coupon for the Shea Moisture, this is to buy 3, get back a $5 reward, and they are 2 for $20, so we'd be buying $30 of shampoo. We need a high-value digital coupon for that. This is the final one that's going to be possibly something starting on Sunday. $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $25, spend deal. So you got to use your debit card for the balance. If there are high value coupons for the razors, this will be a fantastic one as well. Now, the last couple times I've been to a Meijer or a Walmart, these triple packs of the Clorox wipes are like almost $10 now. So they're $6.29 at Walgreens. And I'm like, what? I think it's even cheaper than the Walgreens generic. Again, if you might want to have one of these like $5 store coupons and you're like, I don't know what to do, you need to pick this up for your child or grandchild's back to school list. I mean, yeah, really good thing to buy. One of these for $6.29, I would use that $5 store coupon and pay $1.29. And I'm sure it's on everyone's back to school list, these Clorox wipes. Okay, the Angel Soft will be $6.79, and this is a mega roll. We have a $1 digital coupon that should work with this, so make sure you have this guy loaded. It's loadable today. We have our best friend, this guy. If you've been really rocking and rolling the deals, I'm sure you have a couple of these, so why not throw it into this toilet paper deal? One Angel Soft for $6.79, subtracting that $1 digital, and a $5 store coupon, you're paying 79 cents. I think this is just a smart little stock up price using that store coupon. Okay, before we take off, let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. We have the Wexford backpacks on a buy one, get one free. BOGO 50% off on a ton of different school supplies, and there's still a bunch of 49-cent supplies as well. And I'm sure everybody's feeling the pinch when you go grocery shopping. Walgreens has a bunch of non-perishable and perishable items in the freezer. I mean, if you need to use 20 bucks in Walgreens cash or get rid of some of those store register rewards, there's a lot of items, $5-ish, 2 for 5, 2 for 10, whatever it might be. It might be a stock up time, especially to get some inexpensive groceries or some treats as well. Dollar. 2 for 4 for the Twizzlers. And if you're looking to stock up this weekend, this ends on Sunday the 21st, like whenever your Dollar General closes. I made a video earlier about a 85% off on a lot of these summer goods at Dollar General, and I was paying 15 cents for a lot of them. So if you want to look at the UPCs and see if your town might have some of this in stock, you might want to check out this video linked right here. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.